Hi, it's Lou. Today we're going to make a berry smoothie with no added sugar. This might be a little different from the smoothies you've made before, but it's really tasty. Let's get started. Alright, this may seem really similar to the rest of my smoothies, but that's okay. We're going to start with our third cup of frozen strawberries. Move on to our third cup of raspberries. Then have our third cup of blackberries, and finally our third cup of blueberries. Now I've got my quarter cup of almond milk. Again, you can use any kind of milk that you prefer. Next we've got our chia seeds. This is so we can have extra protein. And don't forget our quarter cup of Greek yogurt. You can use any kind of yogurt you like. I prefer this one because there's no extra sweetness to it, and it's got a good amount of protein. Finally, we have our fourth cup of ice. This is to keep our smoothie nice and cold. This smoothie is not as thick, but that won't take away from its wonderful taste. Oh, it's so good. I just love berries, don't you? This is a perfect summer treat. Be sure to check out the nutrition in the comments below. It may surprise you. Thanks for joining me.